Hey YouTube, Spider G back here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some skiffs in this Divo Buzz. I think I put him in shortly a while ago, but I want to start using this one again, so I want to put some skiffs in it. And we're gonna do that right now. So let's get at it. I believe they're 5mm 1/16, but we'll check once we get in there. I've got like 3 sets of those, and then 3 sets of 5x5mm 3/64s, and then some 80/20. That's like 6mm or something like that. The very fine one. So I need to pick up some more. I have the ones for these, so we're good. Alright. I really can't wait for the mini buzz to come out. That's gonna be good. I'll go right along with my growler and my pony stout. Okay. Do we need to? Let's check it out. Don't want to mess with this cheese. Get in there. Okay. Let's go ahead. Attention up here. The fit and finish on these are impeccable. That pivot is in there. You have to push it straight out. Oh, I already have skiffs. Alright. That was amazing. I didn't feel like it. There's no need to take that back apart. Let's go ahead and just clean this now. Maybe that's what it was. Heck yeah. So I still have 3 sets. I'm just gonna clean this. That's all it needs. And some tuning up. This boy is ready to go. Alright. Yeah, I never really did see this. So there's no real track made. And if there is, I'm gonna keep it right where it's at. Let's get the crud and grittiness out of here. Alright. That was a pleasant surprise there. You tend to forget which ones you do, and I usually put them in the higher end ones. So great, I don't have to use that. So it is a 5mm. It's not 3/64. It is 5mm. So just to confirm that. And now we will go ahead and lubricate these bearings. Or actually, I want to clean these first. That was awesome to find skips in there already. Heck yeah. Now I'll find another one to put them in. I gotta check out. I know the pony is the mini growler is the 80/20.5 is. I have to check and see what else. Put them in. Because a lot of the pivot sizes are changing, so Gotta stay up with that. Now we got those clean. Let's lubricate this. Washers inside there. Inside there. Alright. And the bearings. We are giving this thing the best possible chance to break in. Even more. Doesn't need a hard break in, it just needs to break in. It's already almost. But I want it. And sometimes I tighten my pivots to be a little snug for like a one shake. But I like how this one, it was smooth. I didn't have to shake it. And it was controlled. So I'm trying to get it back to that. Like a control, close, slow control, close. That'd be good. Alright. So I'm gonna take this, any residue. I just gotta put a little bit right there. Spin that around. Let's clean off the face. Because we're gonna put it heavy now. This is gonna help the action big time. There we go there. There we go there. Spread that down the track. Alright. Skiff's installed. That's awesome. Okay. Perfect. That good old snap. Crackle pop on that. Alright. No gaps. Landing pin. I'll look for it one day. I'll put another one in somewhere. Play a black one. I think that's what was in there. Let's put the pivot in. Yeah. Well, this was a pleasant surprise. I just had to clean it. Oh, I could already feel that. Because I put it to a little bit snug. Same size. Okay. Back it out a little bit. Continue to back it out till it hits. There you go. I want to cross thread these. It's all T8, so you just need one bit. And I just make the body screw snug. This is good. No movement on that. Alright. Let's check it out. Oh, that was almost a perfect turn right to where I like it. Just like on the Divo Growler, mini Growler. Almost hit that screw in from the pivot. Almost landed right where I like it. So good, I'm getting that taken apart and putting it right there. Let me tighten it up for 1 second, see how that feels. We're still dead centered. Let's see if we're, yeah. Those skips are really kicking in, really kicking in. Alright, that's good. That'll do it for me. This is a cutter. It has a nice edge on it. That was sort of a Skiff install. I already had Skiffs. I cleaned it. Everything's beautiful with it. But that'll do it for me. This is Spider G. I'll catch you on the next one. Be safe. Have fun. Peace out.